Hey, welcome to my TikTok Shop Masterclass review. Today, I'm going to show you a powerful PLR package that lets you tap into the booming TikTok e-commerce trend, even if you've never created a course, written a word of content, or sold digital products before. And here's the exciting part. You don't need any technical skills, content creation headaches, or months of trial and error to get started. Everything's done for you and fully brandable under private label rights. Make sure to stick around because I'll also break down all the upgrades OTOS so you know exactly what you're getting before making a decision. If you're new here, welcome. I've spent the last 6 years mastering affiliate marketing and SEO. On this channel, I share the best digital tools and strategies that actually help you make money online. If that's something you're interested in, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell so you never miss an update. And here's a special treat. I've put together some exclusive bonuses that you'll get only through my link below. These are designed to help you get faster results with TikTok Shop Masterclass. Check the description before they're gone. So, what is TikTok Shop Masterclass? TikTok Shop Masterclass is a complete PLR package that teaches people how to launch and grow a profitable TikTok shop. But here's the kicker. You get private label rights so you can rebrand it, sell it as your own, use it to build your email list, turn it into a course, lead magnet, or even membership content. This is a hot evergreen niche, and with TikTok growing fast as a shopping platform, the timing is perfect. What you get in the main product. Here's what's inside the front-end offer. Starts at $14.95 on a dime sale. A high-quality TikTok shop training guide, checklist mind map, cheat sheet, ready-to-use sales page, plus thank you page, lead magnet, plus opt-in page, pro-quality graphics pack, 10 content-rich articles, email swipes for promotion, viral social media images, full PLR license pack. And yes, bonuses are included too. It's a complete funnel setup, just plug and play. How it works. 1. Download your PLR package. 2. Rebrand it with your name or logo. 3. Upload the content to your site or funnel. 4. Start selling or building your list. No tech skills, no content creation, and zero waiting.
Welcome to Pinnacle PLR. What do we have for you today? A brand new PLR product that is exclusive to Pinnacle PLR, which has never been released to the market before. Called TikTok Shop Masterclass. You get a complete sales funnel business in a box with this PLR. You get full private label rights to the complete package. So you can edit it, rename it, brand it as your own and sell it as your own product and keep 100% of the profits. We all know that top internet marketers all have their own digital products. However, creating high-quality digital products takes a massive amount of time and money. And most people never have their own digital product to sell because of this. But today you can. Allow me and my expert team of content writers, designers, and copywriters to do all of the hard work for you and create absolutely everything you need to start and run a successful digital information product business online. You get to utilize my team, the product creation experts, to do all of this grunt work for you. All you need to do is grab your license, add your buy now buttons, and autoresponder code, which we show you how to do, and you are all set. You can resell this and keep 100% of all the profits you make and build a high-quality list at the same time. It's a win-win. Let me hand over the screen to Raj to show you exactly what you get inside when you grab this PLR package today.
So once you've purchased this PLR package, you should get a download similar to the one on screen. So once you've downloaded all the material from the members area, you will get a folder with all the different modules and all the different content inside of all these folders. So for example, the first module will be the premium quality guide. So if you click inside, you will see you get the chapter graphics for the actual guide. You get the editable Word document. So this is the document that you can edit, rename, put your name as the author, and rebrand. You also get the ready-to-use PDF document, which you can use as is. If you head over to the next folder, you have the checklist. Again, you have an editable document and your ready-to-use PDF version. Same with the mind map. You get in a PDF version, a HTML document, and a FreeMind source file. So if you download FreeMind, which is a free software, you can open this file and edit it within that software called FreeMind. Same again with all the content. Everything is in its different folders. Resources again, editable Word document, and ready to use PDF. The ready-made sales page, you get the sales copy that's been used on the page, the actual sales page itself. You click into it, you get all the files you need, and you also get the download page. So all you have to do is upload these to your server or your hosting account, and you have a ready-made sales letter and download page for you to use. Lead magnet, you have the actual ready to use PDF again, and the document, editable Word document. The actual opt-in page or squeeze page is in a folder which you upload to your server, and you have a ready-made squeeze page. Further down the modules, you get high quality professional graphics, you get articles all in editable Word documents, you get email swipes in the text document, the social media graphics pack, which you can upload to social media and get traffic to your opt-in page or to your product. And lastly, module 11, you get the license, the private label rights license, the master resale rights license, and the resale rights license, as well as an important license document for you to read, which tells you exactly what you can and can't do with this private label rights package. So that's exactly what you get when you purchase today and get your PLR package. You get a complete business in a box sales funnel, all the material that you need to create a successful online business. So thank you for listening. Grab your copy of this PLR package today, and I'll see you in the members area.
Upgrades, OTOs, what's available? Once you grab the main product, here's what you'll see next. OTO 1, Gold Upgrade 37. Get 7 more powerful modules, including done-for-you PLR videos and extra bonuses. Great if you want to turn this into a full video course or upsell funnel. OTO 2, Master PLR Rights 67. This unlocks deeper licensing rights, giving you even more ways to profit. Think courses, upsells, bundles, or even client work. OTO 3, Pinnacle PLR Membership, $27 per month. Get 1 brand new PLR package each month. Perfect for agencies, affiliate marketers, and content creators looking to scale. OTO 4, Done for You Setup, 97. Want everything set up for you? The team will install the funnel, content, and graphics on your domain. You just drive traffic. What I love about it, everything's done for you. Content, graphics, emails, and sales pages. Super beginner friendly, perfect for TikTok, affiliate marketing, list building, or launching a course. Comes with real value and commercial resale rights. What could be better? Honestly, this is ideal for beginners and marketers. But if you're looking for custom, high-end TikTok automation tools or apps, this is a Content Plus PLR package, not software. So make sure it aligns with your goals. Final verdict, should you get it? If you're looking for a plug-and-play business in the exploding TikTok niche, TikTok Shop Masterclass is a smart, low-risk investment. Whether you want to resell, rebrand, or use it to grow your list, this is your chance to own high-demand content without creating it yourself. Click the link below to grab it before the price goes up. And don't forget, my exclusive bonuses are waiting for you when you get access through my link on Warrior Plus. Thanks for watching my TikTok Shop Masterclass review. If this helped, hit that like button, drop your questions in the comments, and subscribe for more no-fluff reviews that help you win online. See you in the next one.